Hello, good day, Chris here. Lots of nonsense going up in the sky, isn't there? If you're living in the East Coast, or I guess anywhere for that matter, drones, drones, drones. So much is being talked about these drones. So here's my thoughts. Okay, so ultimately it's going to be some kind of military activity, some kind of spy activity, military activity. Now, one thing to consider, of course, is the ET concept on things. So I'm going to kind of put two together. Now, on the History Channel, there's a show called Secrets of Skinwalker Ranch. So now, ultimately, when you watch these shows, and the last season has been very telling. So these people, they take all of this scientific measuring equipment, all of these LiDAR, radar, they use drones. Okay, let's go straight there. So they hired this company, and they brought in all these small drones, and it's a lighting company that creates all these different effects in the sky for a show, much like fireworks. So what they did is they took all these drones, they set them up. There's a couple hundred of them. There's a lot of them, and they send them all up into the sky. All of a sudden, it starts raining drones. It's like all of a sudden these drones got no power. They just fall to Earth. Okay, probably half of them just fall to Earth, and they don't follow their GPS coordinates, etc., etc. So now, if you look at what's happening on the East Coast with all these drones, there's been reports of different drone activity happening in different ways. One of the things that they're finding on Skinwalker Ranch is that there's always this 1.6 gigahertz frequency, and that tends to rain havoc on certain things. They've used GPS drones, GPS things in a helicopter, and they find that the GPS is underground. So there's been all kinds of things going on. Go back into season, I forget what season it is. And look for all of this drone activity on Skinwalker Ranch. You can believe it or not. I mean, that's up to you. But everybody's trying to put two and two together here. 2 and 2 always equals 4, unless you're from another civilization. I don't know. Anyways, so there's some minor correlation here with what's happening with drone activity on Skinwalker Ranch. The drone activity within the United States and apparently other areas of the world, nobody's coming forward, because if it's secret military, nobody's going to talk about it. Consider this: if it is some kind of an ET secret military thing, if all of a sudden we knew about it, it would create anarchy. Okay, there would be people pulling their hair out. That's not a bad thing, but that it would create a lot of hysteria, and I guess they don't want that. So you have to look at a few different pictures, not just one big picture, but a whole bunch of different ones. So Secrets of Skinwalker Ranch, the drones they used, all of the different technology they used, and now look at some videos and different aspects of what's happening with these big, huge, hairy drones. Anyways, we started work with something different, something new, and this is going along the lines of the 1.6 gigahertz frequency that they're finding on Skinwalker Ranch. Now, what we're doing is we're going with people into their 6 gigahertz frequency and clearing that out. So that has been a big door opener, and that's what we always look for here, is the opening of doors and finding new things and being able to go deeper. So if you could put the word 6 gigahertz frequency in your charts, if it comes up, start clearing it out. Look for the stressor within it, and tell me what you find. Anyways, this is Chris. We're out of here.